how to turn on page manage likes on page post notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on page manage likes on page post notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down, click settings here and notifications and go down until you find the pages you manage and click here on your page and then page interactions, and here you will find likes on page post. Just click on it if you want to turn it on. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.